Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So unfortunately we are not at a theme park today, sadly, but we do have something that is very fun, and I'm actually very excited to try this. A couple days ago, Koda decided to order SnackCrate, and it looks backwards on the camera, but I promise it is not. It should come up regular. SnackCrate. This is a monthly subscription service that where they just send you random snacks from different places from around the world. And this isn't a sponsored video. This is just something fun that we saw online that we definitely wanted to try out, and we thought it would make for a fun video. So yeah, I'm super excited to crack this thing open. Supposedly this is from the country of the UK, Great Britain, so I'm excited to open this up. Let's see what we got inside. It is the UK. This is actually really cool. It comes with a little
Sticker.
brochure. It does come with a sticker for SnackCrate. What would you call this? A brochure? I don't know what you would.
Yeah, it tells you what the snacks are. We're not gonna use that.
Oh, okay. So we're just gonna go in blind.
Yeah.
Okay. So I like this. It has a bunch of different. I think it's got SnackCrate in different languages. All right, we're gonna crack this thing open now and see what kind of snacks we have inside. I'm so excited. I don't want to tear it. This is so cool. All right.
Oh no.
We have.
We each get a bag.
So clearly this is made for two people. So the first thing that we have is Nando's Peri Peri Spicy Chicken Grooves. And we're going to hold this up to the camera over here. Peri Peri Spicy Chicken.
It's in focus.
There we go. Look at that. Can't wait to try that. We're going to pull things out individually, and we're going to show them to you guys.
No, we ain't gonna go for it.
No, we got to look at them all first. Next is bacon flavor fries from Smith's. I think we have two of them. Is that another one? Yeah. Look at that. Focus. There you go. Look at that. Got some of those. That's really cool. And it looks like...
no.
What?
Bacon flavored cereal snack.
Cereal snack? Okay, and then it looks like we got some candy, which I'm super excited about, and Koda's more excited about the bubble wrap. Lion. This looks like it's got caramel in it, and I am not super excited for that because I flippin' hate caramel. Focus on that. I think Koda's more excited for the candy. We have Cadbury, which is a familiar brand for us in the United States.
Like
some
Daddy
twirls. Cool. Some fruit gums. Oh dear. Oh, are these gummies? These are kind of squishy. Some. I don't even know how you pronounce that.
Trees.
Round trees. It looks like round trees.
Oh, it's got info on the
Round trees.
on the UK.
Oh, it's got some info on the snacks.
Delicious fruity gummies.
We don't care about any of that. We just want to go in blind. So, Crunchy, another Cadbury Crunchy. Golden honeycomb. What?
Those are good. 10 out
Honeycombs?
of 10. It's good. They have them at the German restaurant I like to go to.
Oh, okay. So you've tried this before. I haven't. We have golden honeycomb wrapped in Cadbury chocolate. I've never had straight honeycomb before. I don't know if it is straight honeycomb, but we shall see. Let's get the chip stuff out of the way. Well, no artificial flavors whatsoever. No added MSG. Oh, this is spicy. We believe that nothing is more important than keeping our promise. The escudo is a symbol of our promise to give you an excellent quality flavor. Blah, 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 blah. Everything's in kilograms and not freedom scale, so we're going to go ahead and just ignore that.
Is Big Ben the clock or the bell?
Big Ben is the clock tower.
You just tried to cover your own butt.
Is there trivia in there?
Yeah.
Oh,
There's actually fun facts on making it trivia.
oh, fun fact. Okay, so Big Ben is the clock tower.
It's the bell.
Never mind.
Want to smell it?
I don't know what they smell like. They don't really have a smell.
Smells like a bag of chips.
Ugh. Yeah, it does smell like a bag of chips. Okay, so Koda, you take the first one. Yours is tiny. Okay. Oh, we were gonna.
Clink.
Yeah, I was gonna do it. The ASMR that we're probably getting with this, probably.
I'm not watching this video.
Redonkulous. That's not bad.
I dig it. Give me
You dig it? Yeah, that's not bad. I don't really know what it tastes like though. Supposedly it's spicy chicken, but it doesn't taste like chicken actually. Scratch that. It does taste like chicken. It does taste like chicken. That is it's actually
like ramen noodle chicken, not like real chicken.
It's not bad. I like it. By the way, one thing that I forgot to mention is that we're kind of covering our own butts here as far as, you know, trying not to puke, which, by the way, we don't have any puke buckets. So if we puke, there's a trash can over there. We're going to be running over to that. But we have these drinks here.
Non-sponsored beverages.
Yeah, non-sponsored beverages, just generic blue and red beverages that we're going to be sipping on throughout. This is mostly to keep us from puking if we drink, if we get something. If we get something that's really nasty, we can just kind of wash it down. I slurped the hell out of that. I am so sorry. Oh, you're putting yours on the floor. Okay, I'll put mine on the floor too.
Access.
That is very true. Smith's bacon flavored fries taste delicious as they are made from the finest ingredients. Perfect condition. You should keep them cool, dry, and away from bright light. Bright light.
Well.
Okay. This snack is meant for vampires.
So mean.
Yeah. Alright. You're gonna crack these open. Oh, that's interesting. They look like little churros.
Oh, they look like bacon. They look like some
Yeah, they do look like... What?
Did you get a whiff of that?
Oh my god!
The light.
It's the... It's the light that made it turn rancid. Oh dear, look at that. That looks like little churros. I don't know if...
My battery's dying.
My battery's dying. Oh dear. But look at that. That looks like little churros. That's really weird. Koda has been wanting to lick this thing while I was wanting to change the...
I had something in my hand. I just kind of went...
Yeah. Okay, so... Clink. One. I don't trust you. I know you. You're the one who's just... Come on.
I feel like Squidward with the game Krabby Patty.
You like Krabby Patties, don't you, Squidward? Immediate regret.
I don't like those. You can eat those. You can have both bags.
What the heck is even... What is this?
It's like plastic.
Do you nom on plastic?
It tastes like the smell of burnt plastic.
Burnt plastic.
A little.
I'm popping another one. I don't really know what that tastes like, to be honest.
There's like a burnt plastic pork rind.
Yeah, it doesn't have like a delicious flavor. It's not delicious by any means, but it's not terrible. Don't let Koda's expression fool you. Alright,
Bacon.
moving on to the next one. Alright, so we've moved on from the chips. We are going to do the candy. Koda, pick the candy. That one? That is the Roundtree's Fruit Gums. Delicious.
Yummy.
Oh, these are like hard gummies.
A mirror looks like everything except itself. That's a little screwed up. It's also... Oh, this is Nestle.
It's Nestle?
Looks
So
like a
this is
Tyrannosaurus.
like a hard gummy. Oh, you want... Okay, fine.
Like a jujube!
What the heck is a jujube?
Candy.
Obviously. I don't like this. I'm not a fan of hard candy. It's not hard. It's a gummy. But it's like really thick, hard gummy. It reminds me of a dot.
From Halloween that you're eating in February.
So what?
I said very specifically one that you got at Halloween that you're eating in February.
Yeah.
That got hard.
Yeah. I wanna spit this out. I can't. I'm not gonna finish
What
it.
flavor did you get? Apple?
It was yellow. It probably tastes like lemon.
Grape, apple, currant, strawberry, orange, lemon, lime.
It's gonna put this one down to the side. I don't
I
particularly
got
care
it
for it.
stuck.
Oh, you got it stuck? Yeah, you see? Okay, so I want to... This next one, I just want to get it out of the way. The Crunchy. Get that Friday feeling with Crunchy. Today, we're filming this on a Friday. Today's Friday. I can't believe...
when you work every day.
I know. You work every day, and you lose track of the days. My supervisor would get a kick out of this video, because she's British. So she probably knows all of this stuff. It looks like a Snickers. But it's not. It looks like a Snickers bar.
Wow. Just go for it. Take a bite.
You just want me to take a bite out of it? Oh, God. But this is honeycomb.
You don't know? Just take a bite.
Okay. I should not have looked at the inside of this. See, my biggest thing was as soon as I took a bite out of this, I looked at what was inside. And you can see, it reminds me of a bone. Have you ever, like, sawed a bone in half or seen the inside of a bone? That's kind of what it looks like, and that's what freaked me out.
Spot on.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. You can keep that. Koda just likes any kind of candy. Alright, so we have 2 left. Koda, pick which ones you so desire. What?
The lion.
Oh, you want the lion? Okay, this is... It looks like it's got caramel in it, so I am gonna... I'm pretty sure you're gonna be enjoying most of this. Lion, no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. They spell colors, flavors wrong. It's the OU that they do. Colors and flavors.
Well, the reason America doesn't have the U's is because when the printing press was first invented, they charged by letter. So they shortened words.
Did they really?
Yeah!
Whoa. I'm learning today. That's interesting. No wonder why they think we're lazy. Because we shorten everything. Yeah, lazy and cheap. Okay, let's see. Filled wafer with caramel. Okay, it doesn't sound too bad. It's almost like a Twix. It reminds me of a Twix. Because isn't Twix like a wafer with caramel and chocolate? It looks like a turd.
I was gonna say it looks like a 100-gram bar, but
there are 2 kinds of people. There are definitely 2 kinds of people. Let's see if we can. It looks like it. It looks like a little turd. Looks like something I left on my toilet this morning.
in your toilet, not on your toilet.
I said in.
Oh, I heard on.
I said in. Ew, I don't like the caramel. Oh, that's actually pretty good. Even with the caramel. I'm not a fan of caramel. But that's actually pretty good. You like it? Yeah, that's actually not that bad. We're probably going to split that one. Oh, now I know why I don't like caramel. It's getting stuck in my teeth everywhere. It gets stuck everywhere. I just get annoyed when things get stuck to my teeth. And last but not least, Koda probably liked that one, the twirl. And it feels like this is like in a 2-pack. Like it's got something that you can break off.
Is it left twirl or right twirl?
Ooh. Oh, give this twirl a whirl.
Tilt-a-whirl?
Tilt-a-whirl. Alright, one last look at the twirls. Yep, definitely something that we can... I made a mess. Okay. One twirl. Another twirl. It kind of reminds me of a Kit Kat because you can split it. And it looks like it's got a Tic Tac wafer. Or Tic Tac Kit Kat. I'm sorry. Kit Kat wafer.
I'm not a Kit Kat, right? I'm not okay with that. There's a lot happening. Is it just chocolate?
It's just straight chocolate. But I can see why it's called a twirl. We're going to have to take a picture of this. There's no way that the camera's going to pick this up, but we're going to take a picture of this and put it right here of what the inside looks like. It's literally a bunch of chocolate twirls surrounded by chocolate. This is really, really weird. But, I mean, I like it. I think it's good because I'm a sucker for chocolate, you know? You give me chocolate and I'll freaking eat it. Except peanut butter or caramel chocolate. Just give me straight chocolate and I'll eat it. But that's actually really cool. It's not bad. I got chocolate all over me. Alright, guys. That was us trying SnackCrate for the first time. What?
What was your favorite?
Oh. Honestly, I think the twirls were my favorite. As far as candy. But when the chips, as far as the chips are concerned, I really like this. This was actually really good. I definitely like that. But yeah, the candy was my favorite. The spicy chicken was my favorite as far as the chips are concerned. That's yours? Mm-hmm. The lion? Mm-hmm. Okay, you can keep that turd to yourself. But yeah, that was our very first time trying SnackCrate. Let me know, or let us know if you want to see more videos like this in the future. This is definitely something very new to this channel. Definitely something very different. And I'm super excited to try this again. You know, each month they have a different country and a whole bunch of different snacks. And I'm sure, depending on the location, the snacks get nastier and nastier. So I am super excited to try this again. Koda, would you do this again?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're going to order another box, and it's going to contain a drink, so that's going to be interesting. But yeah, I am super excited to try this again. Let us know what you guys thought of this video down in the comment section below. If you guys want to see more videos like this spread out in the future amongst the theme park stuff, then definitely let us know. It's definitely something that we can do, and it's not something that's super expensive that we can do that's actually really, really fun. So...
Hey. These are TARDIS self-destruct buttons. I wanted to point that out. UK. Looped it in, by the way.
Really?
Yeah. He uses them as a TARDIS self-destruct. He tells one of the villains that it's a TARDIS self-destruct button.
Who?
TARDIS self-destruct button.
TARDIS self-destruct button. Okay. Nerd.
Yep.
But yeah. I think that's it for us. Koda's going to start munching on some TARDIS self-destruct buttons. And... yeah, I think that's it. With that, we are off, and we will see you guys in the next video.